In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a code component in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to the top left within your page, and then you want to click on this Framer logo, and then you want to go to the bottom where it says code, and then you want to hover over that and click on create code component. Whenever you click on this over here, as you can see, it's going to give you the ability to actually create a new code file, which is new component. You have to give it a name. I'm just going to name it comp1, so component1, and you can then click on create, and it's going to take you inside assets over here where you now see you have your code components, and you can go ahead and code these in here and then see the preview here on the right. Now, of course, you can add a new one by clicking this plus icon, and you can just click on new code file, or you could also do a new folder or new with AI in case you need help, and that's basically how you add code components. However, if you actually wanted to add code blocks within your website, you can do that too by going to insert up top, hovering over utility at the bottom, and then putting in this code block, and by double clicking on it over here on the right, you can go ahead and add the code inside your code block as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.